Hello, welcome back guys to Sportaria channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change the clock manually on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click the subscribe and the bells button below to support this channel. And yeah, now let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, you just have to open the settings applications first. And after in this settings page, you just have to scroll it down until you will find here the systems options. Now tap on it. In the system page, you will see date and time. To change the clock or time manually, you have to turn off this option, which is the set time automatically. You just have to turn off the button before and then choose these options, which is time or clock. If you want to change it, you just have to set it first. For example, here I'm gonna change it for the clock at 10:15, and the 7th you just have to tap on OK. And now you will see the clock or the time is already changed, guys, at this phone. So yeah, I think it's enough from me from this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next video. Goodbye.